In this video, you will see how to proceed with the calibration of the i500 3D printer. Press the Calibration section on the screen. Next, click the Bed Level button. Prepare the tool from a printer kit or regular screwdriver H3.0. When you are ready, click Start. Make sure that the working area and built plate are empty. Close the door of the printer and press OK on the screen. After homing Z-axis and adjusting the nozzle temperature, bed leveling can be made. If bed leveling is not needed, we recommend doing it when running the printer for the first time. Press Start and follow the instructions on the screen. When you will be asked to turn one of the 3 mounting screws, please use the tool from the printer kit or the screwdriver H3.0. Make sure that the arrow perfectly meets with the line. Repeat the turning with all of the mounting screws. Continue with the instructions shown on the screen. After the probing, the bed is properly leveled.